Singing, we will learn our math. Learn our math. We will learn our math. Learn our math. Boys and girls, welcome to another day of math at Miss Dinkle's home. I tried turning my camera sideways today, so I'm kind of peeking at the top here, but we are going to be continuing to learn about our plane shapes, okay? But first, before we start on today's portion of the lesson, we are going to play a review game. All right, so before we play the game, we're going to review what we learned last week, or Tuesday. I think it was Tuesday. The day is just all mush in my head. So we're going to talk about plane shapes, okay? Was it an airplane? No, it was not an airplane, Miss Dinkle. A plane shape is a shape on a flat surface. So if I was to hold up my dum-dum can, right, this is not a plane shape because it's not on a flat surface. This is actually called three-dimensional shape. 3 dimensions. We're only doing 2 dimensions, which means it's flat. Okay? Flat shape. Ooh, my marker's open. Okay, so flat shape. We learned about different ways to describe them. The first one was a point. Make a point. Okay? It's just that one specific location on a place in the shape. Okay? The next one is a line, right? Lines, our hands are out. I think today you can actually see them. Yay! Lines are out, okay? Straight. And there's an arrow, which is our open hand, on both sides. Those arrows show that we're going on and on and on and on and on and on in both directions. So that is a line. We have end points, which we kind of had our arms bent, because if we put them straight out, that's going to be a line segment. But we're going to have them like this, showing the end points are the points at the both ends of a line segment. That kind of shows where it stops, the end. It's a point at the end. Got nothing else for you. Okay, the next one is, I said, a line segment, where you're going to have your arms straight out. Oh, keep moving close. Straight out. It's straight. A line segment is straight, except for it stops on one side and it stops on the other side. Right? Lines go on and on. Line segments are just a chunk of that line. Okay? Another one here is the array, not an array, it's a ray. We're going to have one end point on one side and an arrow on the other side that goes on and on and on and on and on. I hope you're making these motions with me because it's definitely going to help you. And then the last two, we have open shape and closed shape. Okay? So open shapes are where the ends don't meet. Right? The two ends do not meet in this open shape. But a closed shape is where the ends do meet, right? It might be here, might be here, might be rectangle, I don't know. Anyway, I give it that's a closed shape and an open shape. Okay, so we're going to play Miss Dinkle Says, but we're going to do a little bit faster this time, and I'm hoping I can trick you. If I trick you, send me a message and say, Miss Dinkle, you got me. Or if I don't trick you, say, Miss Dinkle, you didn't trick me. Okay, all right, Miss Dinkle says, make a point. Miss Dinkle says, make a line, right? Lines are arms out with the arrows, our hands as arrows. Make a line. Miss Dinkle says, make a line segment. Miss Dinkle says, make a line. Miss Dinkle says, make a line segment. Go ahead and make a line. Did I get you? I don't know. Okay, Miss Dinkle says, make endpoints. Miss Dinkle says, make a line segment. Miss Dinkle says, make endpoints. Miss Dinkle says, make an open shape. Miss Dinkle says, make a closed shape. Miss Dinkle says, make an open shape. Miss Dinkle says, make a point. Miss Dinkle says, make a ray. End point on one side, arrow on the other side. Miss Dinkle says, make a line. Miss Dinkle says, make a ray. Miss Dinkle says, make a line. Make a point. Did I get you? I don't know. Okay, so that was just a review on what we use to describe these plane shapes. So today we are going to be identifying how many line segments are in shape. So I have my handy dandy whiteboard here. I'm actually going to scoot it up a little bit closer to you. So we're going to see how many line segments. So let's remember, a line segment, sorry, my video a little bit. A line segment is where there's an end point on one side and an end point on the other side, right? In these shapes, there's not actually going to be an end point, like drawn out. We'll just know when it ends at the shape. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I have this first one here, okay? We're going to count, and I'm going to draw each of our line segments to show what a line segment is here. So our first line segment is from here to here. That is one line segment. Then from here to here, That is 2 line segments. I'm guessing you can follow along that this is 3 line segments. Down here is my 4th line segment, and then back to that starting point is my 5th line segment. So this shape has 5 line segments. 5 line segments. So if I was doing my homework page, this is what I would put on there. I'd be able to see, okay, how many line segments? And if you need to write it out, please do. Make it easier on yourself. Okay? We're going to do some more here today of doing our line segments. Let me get this one. Okay? So let's count. Okay? I'm going to write it out as we go. So we have 1 line segment from here to here. 2 line segments. 3 line segments. 4 line segments. 5 line segments. And 6 line segments. Okay? So I would write 6 line segments on this for my homework page. Okay? Ooh, I got a really tricky one here. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, I don't even know what shape this is. Miss Nico just had fun with her scissors. So let's count all of the line segments. Ready? 1 line segment. 2. And here we go. Be careful. Got to do all of them. So this one's 3. Got to go down another one. 4. Here we go. 5. See how I'm getting every single part of all of the edges to go around the perimeter. The perimeter? What is the perimeter? Mirrors on. Mirrors on. The perimeter. The perimeter is when I add all the sides together. All the sides together. Mirrors off. Mirrors off. Okay, so the perimeter is the outside edge. Okay, so we have 5. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So on this one, I would write that we have 10 line segments. 10 line segments. My handwriting's a little sloppy. I'm trying to keep this video shorter today. Okay, so 10 line segments. I want to go ahead and do one more practice. Okay, and then I will end this video and I will let you go ahead and work on your homework page. Okay, your homework page and your activity, and what you're going to do is you're going to just fill out those questions and ask you how many line segments are in each, of the shapes. And then there's also some word problems to do on the side, and then you need to draw an open or closed shape. But you can always go back and re-watch these videos that we've been doing to help you to know what we're learning if you forget. Okay, so let's do our line segments. Remember, a line segment has a point at one side and a point at the other side. So we have from here to here. 1. Say it with me. 2. I don't really know if you're saying it or not, but I gotta have my own fun. Say it another one. 3. 4. And 5. So how many line segments does this have? 5 line segments. I'm just imagining that y'all are yelling in my classroom because I'll miss that. So I'm making my own fun in here. Okay, all right, boys and girls, so that is the end of our lesson today. We tried to make it a little bit faster. It's under 10 minutes, woo! So if you need help on your assignment, message me. If not, good luck. I can't wait to see what you do. 3rd grade!